Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve a mathematical expression that looks simple but still many people fail to solve this because they did not take the right approach. So 4 minus 2 as 2 times 6 minus 4 divided by 2 as 2, and here 2 multiply 6 minus 2 as 4 and 2 times 4 as 8, which is the incorrect answer. Because when you have multiple operation, then you have to choose BODMAS or PEMDAS rule. As per this rule, first you have to solve the bracket, that is 4 minus 2 as 2, and there is no sign in between bracket and the 6, so we'll put multiplication, then 4 divided by 2. So as per BODMAS rule, divide and multiplication both have same priority, but we have to solve from left to right. So 2 times 6 as 12 minus 4 divided by 2. Now we have two operation, that is subtraction and division. So we have to solve divide first. So it becomes 12 minus 2, that is 10. What is the final answer? 10. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.